Hello, my name is Paige and I work for a philanthropic organization, Hope for Children. I will be explaining how the visual communication elements on both of the posters strategically please the target audiences. On the left side, I have my American poster, and on the right side, I have my Indian poster. The colors I chose for the American and Indian posters are black for power and strength, blue for confidence and intelligence, orange for happiness and success, red for love and courage. I also used uniform textual elements and font to create balance. Contrast can be seen with various sizes and fonts of text to show main topic items and related information. Bolded text is used to emphasize the most important information. I used straight and diagonal lines to move the viewer's eye in the direction of the information. These lines also represent organization and reliability for the straight lines, and pleasance and stimulating with the diagonal lines. I made sure that both posters were symmetrically balanced. The images I used for each poster are different. The image on the left shows multiracial children for the American audience, and the image on the right shows Indian children for the Indian audience.